Hi, we are here in our class of math, and again with me, your teacher Emiliano. We are going to talk about these numbers. As we know, we have from these 135 values, and with orange, we are going to indicate what the lowest value, that is 928, and with blue, we're going to put the maximum number, that is 1252. Now we have smoke. Thanks. Now, student, can you please tell me what's this?
Sure. Let me tell you. When we add all the values, it will give us a sum. This sum, the result of all the values is 149,150. With this sum, later we are going to calculate the average, but that will be explained from my other partner. Another thing that I want to explain is the range. The range will use this formula: x maximum minus x minimum. That's what our teacher explained before. You have to search for the minimum and the maximum. So it gives us and this is our range. The difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. Oh, yeah, sorry. And that's all.
Okay, good, my student. Now, my student, can you please tell me why this number is repeated very? Please tell me.
I don't have any idea.
What's this? Come on, this is your final exam.
Okay. Okay, the mode is we get this when we watch the numbers, so we can collocate in order and we search for the number most repeated. So this is the mode. One 1,180.
That's
is the
right.
number that.
Now, can you please explain me what's this, please? You're right here.
Oh yeah, of course. Okay, this one is the average. You can get the average using this formula. Over. Okay, I'm gonna explain this. This is the summatory of all these numbers. So, we'll look over here. The summatory is 149,150 over, and that is 135. We divide this and we obtain 1,104.81.
That's right. Here another tick. Now, please, for the last thing, can you explain me what's this?
Yeah, of course. So as I explained before, we have to organize the data, and we choose the number that is in the middle. There is 1,120.
Perfect, my dear student. It's 100.
Thank you so much.
And now to finish, my last student, the master pit. Can you please explain me? Please, my dear student, explain me what's this? Here I let you this.
Well, these are over the square is represent the variance. This variance is represented with a formula. The formula is the summatory of xi minus the mean to the square over n minus 1. This formula will let us know what the variance is. Another, please, thank you. Well, during this operation, we have that it's the summatory of all the values. So, as I was saying, we have to rest to all the values the value that is of the mean. Later than this, we have to upload all these values to the square. And we have that the summatory of all these values minus mean over the square is that's the value. Now, we have to do a division of the n minus 1. We have to remember that the n has a value of 135, which is the total of all the numbers that we have and we have that we have and we have that we have and we have to make with the sample. So 135 minus 1 is 134.
Please remember, students, this is very important.
Later than this division, we have to know that this value gives us a total of the value of this division is this will be the value of the variance, which is represented with this r up to square, and it's repeated right here. Now, to know about the standard deviation, it's represented with an r. So the only thing that we have to do is to take a square root from this value. So from this value, we mark a square root, and we have the value of 75.8. That's all.
Thanks for your attention. Now, if you want more help, please follow us here in the social channel. Thanks.
Ya, eso no lo vas a poner.